All right. Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. All right. So I can tell from the comments that you guys wanted to get more information on the Credit Strong for Business options, as a lot of you guys had a few questions that we were able to get answered in a short period of time when we interviewed one of the partners, with Credit Strong for Business. But I want to make sure we kind of slow things down a bit and make sure that you guys know your options. Okay. So first off, once you click on the link, and by the way, this link is going to be inside the comments as well as you guys can see it right here at the top of the page. I try to make things really easy for people to find stuff. People always ask, well, what do I recommend? This is going to be one of my top recommendations if you're looking to build a business credit for a low cost. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started with it. So, of course, there's multiple ways to grow your business credit, and Credit Strong is actually made specifically for that. A lot of these companies, they'll have you paying for certain things just so you can buy their products. In this particular case, they know that you're looking to build business credit and you're looking for a low cost way to do it. And you guys will see that they have different plans for different budgets. Okay, so you can start building your business credit, and it helps you do so with your EIN instead of relying on your personal credit. Okay. And what's the best plan for your business? Well, it just depends. You have to ask yourself, are you okay with paying no interest, or would you rather pay interest? Okay. If you pay no interest, and of course you build up to $10,000 worth of commercial credit, you can also get the lowest. I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see that a little bit better. You guys can see the lowest monthly payments, pay no interest expense, and then 100% of every monthly payment builds your savings. Okay. And then, of course, you have paying interest. You could build up to $10,000 of commercial credit, affordable monthly payments. You pay the interest expense monthly. And then, of course, you have monthly payments split between the interest expense and building savings all at the same time. Okay. Now, of course, for those who don't know, there's a lot of people that have Credit Strong, of course, mainly for the personal side. So there's most definitely over 1 million people that have this product as well. Okay. So if you want to see like a side by side, let's go ahead and click on view plans so you guys can see that. And then you'll see right here, because they do a side-by-side breakdown, okay? So step one, you're going to choose your account size. So let's say, for example, you only want to do like, 2,500 as a line that shows on your business credit. Now, you can also do 5,000 as well as 10,000. As you guys can see, that will change the type of plan and the monthly payments and things of that sort that you want to go, okay? So let's say you start off with the $2,500, line of credit. And of course, now you don't have access to it. It says it's a line, but you do not have access to it. It's really just a savings. And part of it really just goes to just building business credit in general. Okay. But the one that is no interest is going to be $100 a month. There's a one-time fee for $349. That's how they make their money. And then, of course, there's a 0% interest rate for 25 months. So in total, it's going to cost you, of course, the $349 out of pocket. And the pros of this is that you get a lower total cost, a lower monthly payment, 0% interest, 100% of every monthly payment that builds your savings. And of course, the con is that there's a higher one-time fee versus if you go the other route, is $115 a month, $149 for a one-time fee, 13.26 on the interest, 25 months, and the total cost is going to be $524. The pros is it's a lower one-time fee, but obviously the cons, you're going to have higher total costs, higher monthly payments. You're going to pay some interest, and of course, you're going to have a monthly payment that's split between the interest and the savings. So either way, you do have some options there. If you guys are balling, you most definitely can go ahead and move this meter up as well. But whenever you're ready to go ahead and do that, you just select your plan, and then you can go ahead and then start filling out the rest of the form as well too. Okay. So hopefully this video was helpful, guys. Of course, if you like it, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.